walking too slow for him. Let this sit for a minute and let this dry. Get it out. So today is New Year's Eve, and then I just can't believe how fast this year went by. We're gonna turn up tonight. Well, I'm gonna turn up tonight. This year was a good year. This is the year that I lost all of my weight. If you guys have not been following my weight loss journey, I'm gonna tag or put the link to the description box of that and put some party clips as well. So this is the year that I lost weight, and I'm going to continue that for the following year. I feel like the business could have been better, YouTube could have been better, and for YouTube, it's like I've been on YouTube for years, but I've never been consistent. This is the only year that I've been consistently posting, and it's been 3 months of consistent posting YouTube videos, and I want to continue that for this following year. And this is the year that I finally made to 1,000 subscribers. I want to triple that this time next year. I want to be 3,000 to 4,000 by this time next year, and I'm gonna work as hard as I can to get there. I'm a very determined person. When I said I wanted to start a business, me and my mom, we did that. When I said I wanted to lose weight, it took me a while, but I got there and did that. I lost weight. I'm excited to see my progress in 2020. So I am about to do my hair, and then I'm gonna see you guys later. I will give you the word. I think you're walking too slow for him. You came so late, so there's no parking. You guys need to look at my dress. It's so cute. It's a little split, a little high. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm in a good mood though. I have new goals and I'm gonna work towards it. So I'm not gonna everything be positive today. I'm not gonna think about anything negative. Everything. Oh, you didn't see that.
Kill seconds on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everybody! We gonna make it.